The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hi there, friends. I'm meteorologist Jeff Hanowitz. Showed you that light precipitation right now falling right along the West Virginia state line. You'll notice further west, it's actually more in the way of wintry weather in and around Chicago. This is our little upslope snowmaker that will be with us as we head later tonight into tomorrow and provide mainly the mountains of West Virginia a little more snow here over the course of the next 24 hours or so. So what is happening in our atmosphere? It's very important to know that this northwest flow is going to grab whatever snows northwest of us and bring it closer to the higher elevations here locally. We've got cold air above the warmer water of Lake Michigan, and that creates enough lift to provide lake effect snow. You'll notice again, the vast majority of the snow going to stay north of us and also just to the west of us towards the west slopes of Pocahontas and Greenbrier counties in West Virginia. That's where we could pick up certainly several inches of snow here over the course of the next roughly 24 to 36 hours. But as we zoom in here locally, every now and again, a couple of snow showers may make it towards parts of the highlands and parts of the New River Valley. But you notice those darker colors, this little blue color here showing up, an indicator that the highest accumulations are going to stay in West Virginia. Every now and again, though, I stressed you tonight and tomorrow, we could see a couple of snow showers making their way into portions of Grayson, Wythe, Bland, Giles, Craig, Allegheny, Bath, and Highland counties. So let's talk about that skiing forecast tomorrow morning. If you're fortunate enough to head up to the slopes early for a nice weekend on the slopes. Snowshoe, 21 tomorrow morning with snow falling at that point. Homestead and also at Wintergreen, you're going to be cold and breezy with temperatures in the 20s. So Thursday, winds are going to be around. It's going to be a windy day. It's going to be cold too, but mostly west slope snow showers will be our main little batch of precipitation we're contending with tomorrow. You need to know tomorrow is going to see a mix of sun and clouds with more sun east, more clouds to the west. Then as we look at Friday and Saturday, the winds will start to settle down. We're cold on Friday, but we're a little bit milder on Saturday. Saturday is certainly the nicer of the two weekend days as we're going to have rain chances coming back into play on Sunday. 39 right now in Hot Springs, 38 Roanoke, also in Lynchburg, not to mention Danville and South Boston, Blacksburg too, 39 as we speak in Wytheville. Well, the winds are starting to pick up a little bit in the higher elevations. We have winds at 20 miles per hour in Hillsville and Galax, 17 in Wytheville, 18 miles per hour in Hot Springs. So the winds are starting to creep up a little bit. And when there's wind around, there's usually no fog around. So rest assured, as the winds increase here throughout the night, that will eliminate the remaining fog in our area. Let's talk about those winds tomorrow. It is going to be a very blustery day. We're looking at sustained winds tomorrow about 10 to 20, gusting 25 to 40 miles per hour. So again, the big weather talker tomorrow will be the wind for many of us. Now, if you're watching us in Quinwood, if you're watching us at Snowshoe, probably you're going to be talking more about the snow than the wind. But again, most of us aren't going to see any precipitation tomorrow. High wind is expected on Thursday in some of our backyards. However, outages look unlikely, but you may want to weigh down those empty trash cans so they don't end up in your neighbor's yard, say tomorrow afternoon at some point. All right, for tonight, overnight lows everywhere in the 30s as we become blustery as we're quite cold. Mountain snow showers, west slope snow showers tomorrow. Otherwise, gusty winds for everybody. Highs tomorrow all over the place. Higher elevations in the 30s, most of us in the 40s, a couple folks southeast in the 50s. Extended forecast, only 43 on Friday. Then we're back into the 50s Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Looks like Saturday is dry. Sunday will have the chance for some rain, maybe a brief wintry mix in the higher elevations at the onset of the precipitation, and then another chance for mainly rain as we head into next Wednesday. All right, today we forecast a high of 42. The actual high was 42. $100 in the pot, $440 so far raised